Greeks naming the constellations like, wow, that looks like a polar bear. Teacher. Why are you sleeping in my class? Student. Why are you teaching during my sleep? Average cream cheese and celery fan. Average ants on a log enthusiast. When Nintendo cuts your pay. The boss when you fight them. The boss when you unlock them as a playable character. What do you think he's listening to? Probably death metal or hard rock. When a Karen calls you a casual racist. So you go pro. And become a competitive racist to prove her wrong. I'm 4 parallel universes ahead of you. First time. Third actually. 4 for me. You guys are keeping count. Me. It's medicinal. Cop. First of all. That's a prostitute. Me. It's my emotional support hooker. Becoming a doctor to save lives. Becoming a doctor to afford latest gaming hardware. 12-year-old me on my friend's Minecraft server when they ask who took the diamonds out of the chest. Want to know just how big Texas really is? This is actually mind-blowing. I don't get it. That's Europe inside of Texas. Texas isn't actually that huge, is it? Clown to clown communication. Clown to clown conversation. Doctors when they accidentally drink the urine sample. It turns out it's apple juice. It's apple juice. Me. Tries to open kitchen drawer. Potato masher. And I took that personally. Is everything okay, Ishram? I'm on ferry. Are you not coming to pick me up? Gonna be honest here. I'm probably not. So long, partner. What the predator sees after chasing me for 12 seconds. They don't realize that Area 51 is about to be raided. Dat. Separates 2 flat leggers. 6-year-old me. No one man should have all that power. Guy in math problem choosing shape for lawn. How to tie a tie. Carefully. He's a hero. Being an old-timey doctor would rule. Just drunk as hell like. Yeah, you got ghosts in your blood. You should do cocaine about it. Someone famous dies. Wikipedia editors opening Wikipedia. Memers posting memes about Wikipedia editors. That awkward moment when you spawn in the enemy's base. Reverse John Wick. This time someone killed his human. With Wick. Corporate needs you to find the differences between this picture and this picture. They're the same picture. Me after studying for 10 minutes. Me comparing the stats of 2 items in a game for hours. Point of view. I'm stuck at a red light and the spicy burrito from last night starts jumping around. My stomach. My butthole. It's showtime. My brain. Hey God. It's me again. Got nothing I can do. When your French girlfriend says she wants to treat you like a king. How do I shave my own butt crack? I have no idea where else to ask this. Deleted. Removed. The sacred texts. I knew I should have been more specific with that genie. Prince Philip died. DMX died. Mom. Why did you pause the show? Me. My goals are beyond your understanding. Power goes out in classroom. Random girl in class. How we listen to music in class as kids. Step 1. Get you headphones into your clothes like this. Step 2. Put one of them in your hand like this. Step 3. Put your hand to your ear and listen. How kids listen to music in class these days. 7-year-old me, after rolling the window down in a car wash. I made it rain. My parents. We are in a luxurious restaurant. What do you want to eat? Me. Pizza. My parents. But there are so many off. Me. Did I stutter? Tear gas was invented in 1928. Inch people before 1928. Quick animal facts. Most birds don't give a fuck about you. Prince Philip is dead. Wikipedia. Was. Me. Wins lottery. Dat. United Nations. School councils in anime. When the evil witch turns you and your buddy into shoes. Boys during puberty. Haha today. Girls during puberty. Blood for the blood god. Meghan. I know it was you little slag. People who bite ice cream with their teeth. People who don't take a shower after getting a haircut. Video game taught us some valuable lessons. Violence is not the answer. Violence is a question. The answer is yes. When you meet a cute girl with a good personality, so you invite her to your house and she actually says yes. Call that a success for the parents. When you send the perfect comeback, but the guy you're arguing with points out your spelling mistake. Oh ye gods. My roast is ruined. Car drivers seeing each other. Plane pilots seeing each other. Space shuttle pilots seeing each other. How I look in the mirror. How I look on my screen during a Zoom call. Me. Finds the perfect girl. Life. I'ma keep it real with you, chief. She's also looking for the perfect man. When you've ignored the laundry for 2 whole weeks and finally have to deal with it. Hey, I'm vegan. Great. Me. My parents. IKEA. Let's go. In and out. 20-minute adventure. 3 hours later. A cow minding its own business. The first guy to ever milk a cow. The 4 horsemen of chess. Me. Dies by inhaling a ton of pure hydrogen. The guy cremating my body. When your patient has googled his symptoms and is now telling you that you're wrong. Making your dog go vegan is good. I mean, plants are healthy, so they must be good for dogs. Excuse me. I have some objections. This is the 27th floor. When you take your schizophrenia medication and your therapist disappears. Ironic. Female mantis eating decapitated head of mate. Meanwhile all the other makes nearby. Bargain offer. I receive my planet. You receive eternity without me. My dog, for some fucking reason, I don't always drink water. But when I do, I act like I haven't in weeks. Teacher. Alright. Is everyone ready to review the homework? The entire class. I'm working on it. Right now. When I go to a different Walmart. And the floor design is different. Brain. Is the door locked? Me. Yes. Brain. Are you sure? Me. Yeah. I just locked it like 2 seconds ago. Brain. But what if you didn't? Me. You got me there. When the game starts giving you an ungodly amount of health items and ammo. Something's wrong. I can feel it. The guy that invented Velcro shoes. After all, why not? Trade offer. I receive unlimited food, love, and shelter. You receive dead mouse. Parents. I won't get mad if you tell the truth. Me. Tells the truth. Parents. Gets mad anyways. Those bastards lead to me. Graphics settings. Low. I had to do it. They did Fortnite dances and I couldn't stop myself. I forgive you. My crush. Says all men are the same. My crush. Won't date me because I'm not like the other boys. Me. Just move your borders. Away from our troops. Friend. Lobsters are like the mermaids, but for scorpions. Me. How to drink water. Tutorial. 620,000 people before watching this video. Girls going 10 years into the future. Oh my god. Season 6. Boys going 10 years into the future. Not done yet. Inmate saves baby from locked cell using his car theft skills. You are bad guy. But this does not mean you are bad guy. Me when I hear something weird and I don't know what it means. Urban Dictionary. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all the other YouTubers say to do. See you next time.